How to create a tree diagram in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for tree diagram. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Tree diagram is created successfully. Tree diagram data requirements. You need between 2 and 8 columns of categorical data to create a tree diagram. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a tree diagram. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we created a tree diagram with 6 data columns as follows. 5 columns containing categorical data, 1 column containing numerical data. Important: tree diagram will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the chart header properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the text section to change the properties. You can show or hide column header labels. You can set the position. Click on the Node and Inner Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to change the properties. You can set prefix to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Node and Inner Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Node section to change the node color. Change the color of all nodes. Click on the Save Changes button. When data is missing, the chart displays the label Data Missing. You can hide or show this label. Click on the Settings button to edit the properties. Click on the Missing Data section to edit the properties. Click the left mouse button on the desired cell to zoom in. The Zoom In feature lets you see the details of the chart. To zoom out, click the left mouse button on the parent node. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.